May the 4th be with you. In honor of May the 4th, I thought I'd read a short story about George Lucas. George Lucas is a filmmaker and creator of Star Wars. Written by Grace Hanson. Early life. George Walton Lucas Jr. was born on May 14, 1944. He grew up in a small town near Modesto, California. From a young age, Lucas loved reading and drawing. He also loved cars and racing. He dreamed of being a race car driver. That changed after a bad car accident in high school. Lucas later went on to community college. He found a passion for film. Lucas transferred to USC. He studied cinematography and graduated in 1966. His film work in college earned him attention. In 1967, Warner Brothers gave Lucas an internship. He learned how to direct on movie sets. First films. In 1971, Lucas released his first full-length film. It was called THX 1138. It did not do well, but Lucas did not give up. He went on to write and direct American Graffiti. The movie was a huge success. It was nominated for 5 Academy Awards. Star Wars. Lucas's next project would be his greatest. He released Star Wars in 1977. It had special effects that viewers had never seen before. The film won 7 Academy Awards. 2 more Star Wars films were released in 1980 and 1983. Lucas created another series within that time. It featured adventurer Indiana Jones. On to new adventures. More Star Wars films came out in 1999, 2002, and 2005. Lucas soon decided he was done with big movies. His focus is now on smaller movies and his family. And here's a timeline on George Lucas's accomplishments. And remember that this one does have an AR test, so continue reading, and I hope you have a great day, and may the 4th be with you.